Photo.
I said double for 9 one carry.
Think say they why?
My brother, what God cannot do doesn't exist.
See why I don't say God exists.
Eko, Ashawo. Say some people they like who don't feel born.
Yeah!
One man food is another man poison.
Actually, I like my man beard.
Beard or nothing.
Let's go.
Juju people. Ashawo.
Madam, you never pay. Madam, you never pay me. You don't the job enjoy. You never pay. Madam, where your motto?
I can't.
Maybe that can carry come.
So, tell me, how much did you say is your money again?
Mama, I just 50,000 naira.
$50,000?
50,000 naira, Mama.
Okay. You give me your account details, I'll send you 5 million naira.
5 million?
Sure.
Mama.
Oh, hold on, let me take this call. Yeah, hello. Yeah, hi. I told you already, my dear. It is 1xBet. Of course, 1xBet is the best and the most reliable betting platform. Oh, come on. Okay, all you need to do is use the promo code PillsBet and get 130,000 naira bonus when you make your first deposit. It's that simple. Sure. Please, I'm busy. I'll call you later. Oh, you're massaging me so good. Alright. For this, I'm gonna add you 2 million naira to your transport.
2 million, 25 million. Make it 7 million.
Yeah.
For just a massage, when I do. Ah, Mama. I will die inside though.
How much did you say me? I've seen 10,000 naira here. Why?
My dear, my account is actually having issues. So I still have your details there. I will send the balance later.
What nonsense is that? We bargained on 50,000. You're sending me 10,000 now. What nonsense? Lagos people and fake life is 5 and 6. Why?
Oga, I will send your balance later. I still have your details. Calm down.
If you don't pay me my money, I will not live here. If you don't pay me that money, I will live here.
You will.
What nonsense?
Who beats me? Don't provoke me, oh.
Sorry, oh.
You don't know why it's going on.
Oh my god.
Madam, what is wrong with you? You brought me here and you tied me. You got to flog me. You've not even asked me how much is my money. You are whipping me.
See, don't worry, just relax.
Madam, ask me how much is my money. You never pay me. You got to flog me.
See, okay, don't worry. How much do you want?
Madam, my money for one night now 80,000 naira. Yeah! 80,000 naira.
You say how much be 50 by 100 for Bini? I don't understand. 80,000, Abi.
Okay, no problem. Just help me check another light.
This light, Abi.
Like lights. Okay.
This man!
The outside.
You don't want the outside.
The bank.
Let me check if it's working.
Yes. The bank.
This man! Yeah!
Madam. Madam, I mean, the ASHAWO you carry. It dey work. Madam, open the door and come inside. My pastor dey go, madam. Madam, don't play me.
70 years old man. It's Tiagasa. Is that?
Madam, you can't say pikin o.
Pass out. You think say they white? Woman.